Hello, today I want to give you a quick demonstration on how to do the double triple crochet. So let's begin. So for the double triple crochet, you chain up as many as you like and then you add 4 at the end. And then we begin working from the 5th chain from your hook. For the double triple crochet, you yarn over 3 times. So 1, 2, 3 times. Then we count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you insert the hook in the 5th chain. Then you yarn over and pull through 1. Then yarn over and pull through 2. Then yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And finally, yarn over, pull through 2. That's your first double triple crochet. In the next one, you do the same thing. You yarn over 3 times. Then you insert the hook in the next chain down here. Then you yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And yarn over, pull through 2. So this is the tallest stitch I'm using. In the next one, we're doing another double triple crochet. 1, 2, 3. So yarn over 3 times. Insert the hook in the next chain. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And again. And another one. That's it. So do 1 double triple crochet for the rest of the row, and then I will show you how to turn. And then you have your first row looking like this. You see a pretty high stitch, a pretty tall stitch. So then we chain 4 to turn the row. So yarn over and pull through 4 times. 2, 3, 4. Then turn. And then we skip these 4 chains. And then we begin working from the 2nd stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I say 2nd? I meant 5th stitch. So yarn over 3 times. Then insert your hook in the 5th from your hook. Then yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2. And then yarn over, pull through 2. And again, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 2. Pull through 2. Pull through 2. And finally pull through 2. So you have these very tall stitches on top of the other tall stitches. And when you made a couple of rows, it looks like this. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!